Bang! 958. Thank me later. I'm looking at 957 or 957.5. I'm full porting your signal. You're out of your mind. All right. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. All right. For everyone in the TikTok stream, I'm on YouTube. I'm live streaming on YouTube as well. Was gambling with 500, made 3K and lost it all? Bro. Auto glaze on or off? Bro. We just getting off work to pay for these evals. W. Goat is here. Buy me a Lambo right now. What? How much money do you guys think I have, bro? Yeah, let's get it. Dembski. Bro, how do you go from gambling $500, make 3K and lose it all, bro? That's just L risk management. Me personally, if I was there, I would have slapped you. Bro, Subby. If this level hits 957.5 longs, tell Rashid the pull up. Bro, tell Rashid the pull up, bro. Only if Rashid is there. If you hit stop loss, show bank account. Yo, Juan, when did you guys become so comfortable about asking people to show their bank accounts, bro? I would have slapped you upside the face if you ever asked me that in person. And hypothetically in GTA. I forgot TikTok live's weird. 1,000 live or $1,000 worth of accounts. $1,000 live account. Bro, it's honestly pretty crazy how you inspired every Punjabi trader in Surrey to start. Absolute goat. Are you for real? Dude, I need to pop out to Canada, bro. Zero saying no, I wouldn't. Why did you say my name like that? I got offended. Juan. Hey guys, my name's Juan. Guys, make sure if you guys are on TikTok, make sure you guys join up on the YouTube. Shinobi Signals on YouTube so you guys can see my full screen. Most of the guys in high school started off by seeing you on IG. I can't lie, dude. That's crazy. How much horsepower is the M3 pushing? Bro, it's completely stock. What are the chances of prop firms ending? Bro, people with no payouts be worried about prop firms going away. What? Who's that? Why did they knock on the door? Chart colors? Chart colors are pretty mid. The red. This is the white. This is the gray. And then the canvas is this hex code. Will you enter that trade off a trend line? Bro, I'm not going to lie. I might have to. Do you have any recommendations on what to start off with? I'm new to trading. First, Conme, bro. Bro, why do I see Conme going in with 8 contracts per trade, bro? Are those evals, or is he actually smacking 8 contracts on an Express account? Bro, it's saying my lives are restricted. Someone behind you, I know. It's my friend. Do you use Bookmap or Sierra? I use Sierra. What do you think about November's PA? Bro, honestly, November hasn't even started, but I think November should be decent. I think right now what's happening is that we're just having a bunch of BS like news, trade wars, all this sort of stuff coming out like with China, and I think what's going to end up happening is that like after the rate cuts or whatever that happens, I think from there that's when we'll actually start to see some regularity happen in the market, meaning we'll start to see some more consistent price action. Because right now, what we're seeing is market is just pumping hard as fuck, and then it's just dumping, and it's just blah 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 blah. There's no real like structure being built in the markets. Like the fact that we gapped up over the weekend 200 points and then continued all the way to 26,000 with literal like there's no good risk to reward entry. Like I didn't trade yesterday. I took a $200 win and called it a day. Wouldn't you want us to fill the NWOG? I mean, I'm looking for a shorter term play. I'm only gonna target low hanging fruit. Yo, lend me 5 USD, bro. JOB. Do a gambling stream like TJR? Nah, bro. You guys want to know a crazy story, dude? So I was online gambling, and in the chat, someone recognized who I was. I made and dude, that was crazy. The next day, me and my friend, because it was like the weekend, we go to the casino, and I'm sitting at the dealer, and he's like looking at me, and then he's like, "Yo, do I know you from somewhere?" I was like, "Probably not." He's like, "Are you from like around here?" I was like, "No." He's like, "Look like this guy named Shinobi." I was like, "Oh my god, bro!" Like you guys know after like you get 21, like you get an extra bit of cash on top of your like bet. Bro, I was giving this guy so much money and just like extra like just things that I was winning, like just to leave a good impression because I didn't want him to be like, oh, yo, he was winning. He wasn't giving me any bread. So I was tipping him a bunch. Bro, I ended up losing everything, bro. I lost like $600 that day. That was so bad. I'm working Baccarat right now. Come, I will rig it for you, Unk. Sandra, what casino you at? Entry of negative 2.5 level from standard deviation lining up with FVG? Nah. Black or red? Red. Hector smack red right now. What are the confluences for this limit? Main thing I'm just looking at on this one, guys, is I'm just looking at this leg on the 15 minute. And then if I draw out, let's go to my Gone box tool. Where's that? If I draw it out, you guys can see this is in a discount range. So I'm mainly just looking for us to pull into this 15-minute, sort of respect it, then bounce going from there. You could even take the OTE of this 15-minute gap, but I think we should be good from here. Online casino evolution. Yo, Sandra, so I've always wondered, like, with the online casinos, like, do they have you guys in like a warehouse? Like, what do you guys see? Like, is there a TV that tells you like how's that whole thing set up? What pair? This is NQ futures. What do you think about that new Kid J that's trending? I don't know who that is. Did you lower your car? Yeah. I lowered the car, but then I got new wheels. So my wheel, bro, no invite? Yeah, but I didn't if I knew you were gonna get butter chicken, bro, I would have wanted some too. Bro, dude, this guy just ordered butter chicken and didn't even tell me. Oh, Sandra, what state is it on Evolution? I think it only goes by state. So like, but it's like a big building in Eastern Europe. Oh, that's crazy. PC under the table and cameras on us. Scan the card. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. That's like actually such a crazy operation. When do you think that government shutdown will end? Honestly, bro, I don't know. I don't really like trying to predict political things because at the end of the day, I'm always going to be wrong when it comes to that. TJR lost combined 35K yesterday and today. Do you think it was his money or did he gamble sponsors' money, you think? Honestly, bro, I don't know. Like, it could 100% just be sponsors or it could be his own. I honestly think it's his own. Because the way, like, online casino sponsors work is, like, they'll pay you money and they'll be like, hey, here's 60K. You can either gamble it or on stream or you can just take the base pay, and most people end up gambling it. Do you know where anywhere that offers same day payouts? TPT. Take Profit Trader. Yo, everyone on my TikTok live, join the YouTube live. Because I'm not trying to read two different chats. It was good, Chase. And make sure you guys on YouTube and TikTok like up the lives so I can get more. All right, so here's the plan. We're going to like up the lives. We're going to hit the homepage. We're going to bang this bottom tick. And then I'm going to show my code hard. After I shill it multiple times, I'm going to make an absolute bag off of my affiliates. And I'm going to cop a Lambo. We all down for that? Type 1 in the chat if we're down for that. We're going to bang this trade. We're going to get this stream trending. And then I'm going to show my code. We good? Subby, I will come over there right now and flip that table over. I feel like this is a reverse psychology to blow my funded copying you. Honestly, bro, I'm taking this on a qualified that's $200 a day away from getting payout. Sell a course, bro, I might have to. Is it true Trump's about to agree with China on tariffs? I don't know. I didn't talk to Trump, bro. Let me hit him up real quick. Prime Shinobi and Powell was and still is peak. Yes, sir. When the fuck you start doing ads? Are ads running again, bro? Hold on, let me turn those off. Bro, after every stream, yo, whenever you guys join the stream from now on, like on YouTube, the people who are always joining up, tell me right away, remind me to turn off ads. Yeah, I just turned it off. It's like it automatically monetizes the stream. So just let me know and I'll turn them off. I just turned them off. Are we in? I set a limit order for 957.5. I'm waiting to get in. Where's Dutch? Dutch is chilling, bro. He's like traveling the world. I haven't talked to Dutch in like a few days. Bro, you're not real. What are you talking about? Oh, he's talking to the guy up there. Why only one mini? I just need a $200 day and I'm securing this payout. I'm eating Halo Top ice cream right now. Unk Shinobi, yo. You know what, bro? Good job, man. All right, Sandro, send it and tag me. Sandro, what's the most you've seen someone win? Yo, guys, we're almost at 1,000 likes on TikTok, bro. Can we just hit it real quick? Can one person just take initiative and get us to 10K? Appreciate it, NQ. Why did you put the order at 957? It's the furthest 15-minute fair value gap on this leg. This isn't, and oh my gosh, guys, remind me to dude. I haven't streamed in so long. I have it as Asia session. Thank you for reminding me, whoever that was. Where should I put take profit? Honestly, it just depends on the low hanging fruit we get. Sandra, I'm gonna add you back on Discord. I just saw that come in. Will I shake it on live if will you shake it on live if we hit it? No, because there's a high chance we hit. That's all the confluence behind your trade? No, there's more. But that's all I'm gonna say for now. Which time frame? 15-minute. This right now is on the 15-minute time frame on NQ. Oh, you should tell will you gamble? No, bro. Bro, one of my stream viewers is dealing on Roobet right now. Look, this is him. He said if I show up, he'll make sure we win. No, because I'd have to turn on my VPN. Possibly. He's on break right now. Sandra, is that you, the picture you just sent me? Yo, shout out to whoever got us to 3.5K likes on TikTok. That's fire. Any prop firms I can buy a challenge today and get paid today? No. That's just called a live account. Deposit and trade it. I'm currently in shorts to your limit. Fire. Yo, lil dude, what's up? Shinobi, why do you LARP? Honestly, bro, it's just fun. All the last 50 videos I've posted are all LARPs, am I right? Any prop firms I can max out and get a GT3 RS? Is that use? Wait, is that the Yusuf we know, or is that a different Yusuf? On TikTok. Yusuf Fiji. I don't know if that's his profile picture. Oh no, that is Yusuf. Yeah, it's Yusuf, the bald one. You know the bald one? The one that looks like Moses the jeweler? The one who doesn't have paint match reflectors or individual interior? That one. Yeah. Yo, Craig, CIA trader. What's good? Stop using punctuation on my comments, bro. You use proper punctuation, I'm banning you, bro. You're not tough, bro. This guy in my comments. Craig, CIA trader. Craig's so professional, dude, literally. What's up, Dom? Yo, guys, do I expose G82 Yusuf right now? Do I expose him? I don't know if I should. Yusuf, why is Shinobi hitting subby 4 PF? You're sitting, yo. Bro, peep this guy leaving hate comments right now, bro. Like he's not in. I'm not gonna say what type of shot. White substance shot range, bro. What's good, Dom Dog? What's your favorite pair of sneakers? To be honest, I used to be really into sneakers. I loved my there were like these Travis bandana dunks. Those are probably my favorite. Oh my god, Solomon's in here. Solomon! I miss you too, Solomon. I love you too, Minty. What's your favorite pair of sneakers? Oh yeah, but probably those Travis dunks. What? Are you trying to say my shoes were fake? Cause I got something for now. Oh, are you live on YouTube? Yeah, Solomon. Will Rodriguez, what's good, bro? All right, bet, Solomon. I'll see you on YouTube. Yeah, for everyone in my TikTok live stream, I'm live on YouTube. So join there, please. Will you stream tonight? Bro, you're asking me this as I'm in the stream. Is that an M4? No, that's a G80 M3 Competition X Drive with carbon buckets, ivory individual interior, carbon ceramic brakes, full carbon pack, front PPF. Shinobi, you trade Asia per chance? All right, bro, you've lost my mind. You've lost your mind. Tough. Preach. Yo, the whole chat's got auto glaze on. What hoodie you got on? It's like this Carhartt. I think it's called like, I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty nice, bro. It's pretty comf. Shinobi, when is midnight? Yo, someone actually asked me that. Yo, someone actually, huh? Dude, they asked that in mine too once, bro. Dude, so I was like, oh, midnight open. He's like, what is midnight? And I answered back, oh, midnight's at midnight, bro. Yo, what did you have for breakfast, bro? I woke up at 3 p.m. You know, when I'm in NYC, let's get lunch. Yo, bro, I'll send you my secretary's number, and then you can see if I have opening. Then I usually got shit to do. No, I'm kidding. Wait, Solomon, just pull up to New York, bro. You're literally rich. Just pull up. Wait, Luke's coming too. He's coming to New Jersey. I got a white M3 40i. Bro's gonna send me a Calendly link, bro. There was this one time, some guy on Twitter, I was like, "Yo, let's play what was it, Warzone." Bro, this dude sent me a Calendly link. I blocked him so fast, bro. He wanted me to pencil in a time to play Warzone, bro. I think, yo, Solomon, ask him in the TID Discord. I think he's going in like a week or two. I think he's pulling up, and we can all hang out. You guys, dude, you guys can see the warehouse. This is soybean futures? No, this is NQ, guys. Bro, the streams are jumping today. What did you have for breakfast? Bro, I literally wait, what was the first thing I had a bacon, egg, and cheese, bacon, egg, and Gouda from Starbucks with the truff hot sauce. Can I ask why you live trade for free? All right, bro. That's it. All right, guys, pack it up, pack it up, pack it up. This is now a paid production. Everyone in here. No, I'm playing. Because it's fun, bro. And I don't know. Why do I stream for free? I have ulterior motives for sure. I can show my code. I can tell people. People can be like, "Oh, Shinobi doesn't charge to trade live. He trades live. You should go watch him." And meanwhile, like I can just stream for free. I don't know, bro. And I want to start doing more shit for free. Like my mods in my Discord were like, "Oh, we need to scale the Discord. We need to do this." And then like this is right after Ben Bader passed. So I was just like low key, I just want to do more shit for free cuz like bro, if I like died like right now, bro, I want people to be leaving paragraphs of me like talking about how good of a person I was trying to help everyone, you know? Like I'd rather I like that that's cool as fuck, like dude. Like he passed and then everyone had good things to say about him. So like I want to start doing more stuff for free and I want to start doing like answering like I'm not going to lie guys, like I picked up a big ass ego once I like started getting hella followers on Instagram. Like I have like 200K on Instagram and I remember like I just stopped responding to DMs trying to help people, all that sort of stuff. So like now my main priority like bro, I'm going to start sending emails to my email list again, not even selling anything. I'm gonna start responding to DMs, trying to help people. I'm gonna try to answer every DM and just like honestly just be a better and more helpful person. Cause realistically, bro, after I'm done trading, like bro, I don't do anything all day. Like I literally just chill. When are you opening the monthly for your Discord? I mean, we just closed it down. Probably not until like 2026. I don't think I'm gonna open the Discord. How's the warehouse going? I mean, so far so good. We cleaned it up yesterday. I'll make a TikTok going like giving a tour of the warehouse once we got it like a little bit more cleaned up and a little bit nicer looking. But so far so good. Honestly, we're gonna get hex lights up there. Like that's gonna be like one of the nice things. Do you still use rejection blocks for trades or only order flow? I still use rejection blocks. My investment. Oh, the car. Oh, I don't want to make it too hot though. Someone in the stream is gonna outbid us for the investment. Oh, guys, so me and Key were looking for rare F80 M3s to buy as an investment. So we're gonna get lifts installed in the warehouse. Like if you're on the YouTube stream, like a lift over there, a lift over there, and then we're just gonna like imagine we can have four. We just have lifts, and then we just have like crazy collector cars up top. And then we just have our regular cars here. English or Spanish? Next person to move is Guy. Yeah, we should do that, bro. Where are you targeting? I'm just gonna target like a previous high. Or just 10 points, to be honest. I just want to make my $200, secure this payout, call it a day. I want to copy this on my CFD account. I don't know what price to put it at. Put on the 15-minute US 100 fair value gap. This is NQ, guys. It's on the stream. Did religion play any part in your trading? Yeah, but I'm not gonna be that corny guy that's like, oh, like blah blah. Like, bro, at the end of the day, I think having something to believe in and having I think religion provides a really good light at the end of the tunnel. You know, I think being able to navigate life and having that belief that hey, no matter how hard things get with what I'm doing right now, if I'm a good person, blah blah blah, at the end there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And I think that's what really kept me going because in trading especially, bro, like when you're just losing all the time, losing every single dollar you put in and you just see no progress, it's so hard to have like that sort of like hope. But with religion and just having something to believe in, it feels like you're not alone, first of all. You have someone to talk to. You can always pray to God and be like, "Hey, like this is what's going on." It's just nice to let it out, vent. And also just knowing like, hey, at the very end, after this entire life stuff is over, there's light at the end of the tunnel that I'm working towards, you know? And I think having that is such a big relief, like taking off your shoulders. So I don't, yeah, it definitely played a big role. Yo, Ab- Abu Bakar Abdul Rahman. Abu Bakar Abdul Rahman is asking, what strategy are you using? I'm using a fair value gap, bro. How do you feel about all the new traders entering the space? I feel like people now think trading is a get rich quick scheme and going to lose tons of money. It's definitely how it is, but you guys have to remember trading is a zero sum game. When you win, someone else loses. When there's more like uninformed bad traders in the market, that gives a chance for good traders to actually make money. If that makes sense, since it's a zero sum game, you know? As a trader, if you're a profitable trader, you need to be beating out most people, right? And the thing is, with so many new traders entering the market, it's just extra liquidity for traders who actually know what they're doing. When I started trading, bro, like day trading was like, it was cool to tell people you day trade. Now it's like, bro, I don't tell anyone I trade. Like, I'll get recognized in public sometimes. Like, dude, I got recognized at the casino, bro. I was low key like embarrassed. I was like, oh, bro, like this guy knows I trade, bro. Like, please don't start asking me questions, you know? Props are still zero sum. I'm not talking about props. I have 10K likes on TikTok. Bro, we're at 9.9K. Let's go. Trading is so easy that it's difficult. That's how I like to look at it. It's such a easy profession that it becomes super difficult. I remember when I first started trading, I opened up TradingView and posted it thinking I was tough. Bro, I would do that too. What deck we running in Clash, boys? Mega Knight, Executioner, Minion Horde, the one skeleton, and then you're gonna evo that and the Mega Knight. Arrows log. You need two of those. Then you're gonna also have Dark Goblin. I call it the Dark Goggins, and then a mini P.E.K.K.A. Messaged me about a new bottom ticking method, bro. You are the method, bro. Bro, that loser, bro. That absolute bum. The absolute bum, bro. Absolute bumbleclot. Yo, is a bumbleclot. Loser. Loser AMO for me. What are your thoughts on book maps? I don't like book maps. Dude, trades by ski, trades by Psy is fake, bro. He is fake. I don't know how you idiots are falling for that guy. Bro, he doesn't know anything about trading. Oh my God, he doesn't sell a course. That's his whole shtick. So he can make money off his affiliate, referring you guys to his broker. Do you guys know how much broker deals pay, especially with Forex CFD firms? Bro, he's complete BS, bro. Complete BS. If you believe trades by Sky. How long you been trading? Since December 2019. How long profitably? Since June 2021. That was my first profitable month. 2617, a good target. It could be if you're expecting us to go back to all-time high. We need a quote of the day. Quote of the day is lock in or clock in. That's a fire one. Quote of the day: lock in or clock in. You ever want to go to the and pray to be profitable? Yes, bro. Yes. What transformed you into profitability? Understanding that if I literally, after a certain point, this is actually a TikTok I'm gonna make, right? This is a TikTok I'm gonna make. After a certain point, you're just gonna get tired of losing money, right? You're gonna be like, all right, bro, I'm tired of losing money. Why am I losing money? Because I'm revenge trading. Like a lot of people use hope as such a big strategy. Like, oh, I hope this hits take profit. Oh, I hope I could just buy in at this random price and just somehow, some way, the market just gives me a break once and just lets me get to a payout. I hope I can just luck my way into a payout. After a certain point, bro, you just understand you're tired of losing, and all you really want to do is just hit a goal. Shanta in his Telegram, that's where he links his brokerage. I started trading options, guys. Like funded accounts weren't a thing when I started trading. Dude, you guys like are listening to like 15, 16-year-old idiots who just started trading talking about futures are going to fall off. Bro, the stock market has been around since what, 1900s, before then, 1800, East India Asia Company. What was that started? I don't know. Futures and the stock market is never going anywhere. It might be different to trade, but it's not going anywhere. The stock market's been around since the 1600s. Oh, East India Company was the first company ever made. Yeah, guys, the stock market's gonna die off. What? One day we're gonna wake up, type in TradingView, and it's just not gonna load. I think the stock market will last at least until mid 2026. Oh my gosh, 67 viewers. I'm too old to be laughing at that, bro. I'm too old. I'm way too old, bro. I'm 23 years old. I got responsibilities, bro. I got bills to pay. I got a full head of hair. Aren't you 21? I'm 23. Give new traders an advice on trading. I do. I make TikTok videos every day about advice. Pushing 40. Bro, I'm 23, bro. Bro looks 40. Shanta, I'll tell you what you look like, bro, but you won't like it. Yo, thanks, Gav. Do you think prop firms will continue to make more difficult rules as time goes on? I'm thinking about moving to a live account soon, but I don't know if my mental is good enough yet. Bro, just stop being having female tendencies, bro. I don't think my mental's good enough yet. What do you mean your mental's not good enough, bro? Your mental literally just depends on how, like, what? Feminine tendencies, bro. Female tendencies, bro. Grow up, man. My mental's not ready to trade a live account. You're scared of a red number on a screen? Why did Keyflow call you his good little boy? What? Is he live right now too? Yeah, so they're rage baiting. Why are you on the charts right now? Why are you on my, I'm not even gonna say it, but why are you on that right now, bro? It's not big enough for you to be on it so consistently. My mental's not ready to handle so much winning. Stay far away from me, bro. Stay far away from me. Why are you hating? Who am I hating on? Why don't you shave and leave the GT? Some people are just weird. Juan, why don't you just, take over your dad's landscaping business, bro, instead of trying to trade? Bro, you seem like a chill guy. It's a video of dudes bullying you. What? Yo. Yo, dude. There's a video of dudes bullying me, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm trying. Literally, bro. Yo, send me that video, bro. Of people bullying me. Is it like in person? Or is it like yeah, huh? Yo, is this Sora AI? Bro, is this just gonna bounce without us? Let me see. If we inverse the 1 minute gap, I'm gonna low key take this if we. Bro, this might just leave without us. But no, I want it to go to that 15-minute gap. Throat Goat Shinobi. Infamous Laurel Piana hat. PG Flicks. Yo, it's your boy. I expected a top tier. Luis, I expected. You know what, bro? Are you only live on TikTok or something else? I'm live on YouTube. We have 250 people on YouTube. Difference between a playbook and a strategy. So a strategy is just something that you use to actually take trades. A playbook is like a little portfolio of strategies. You like the Wyckoff method? Nah. What the fuck, Ian? Say that. Who's Ian? How many likes for you to shave your beard, Hector? Yo, Hector, how many likes for you to give me your mom's chimichurri recipe? Ah, Hector. Hey. I will for 100 USD so I can gamble. Hector. How do you overcome not accepting the loss at beginnings? Because every time I didn't accept the loss, I would lose more, bro. What do you mean? How do you overcome that? Like 90% of your guy, like 90% of all the problems you have as a beginner go away when you realize that you're just losing money. When you get tired of losing money, that's when you're gonna fix your trading. I promise you. Why is it leaving us, twin? Bro, because I was trying to bottom tick too hard. Shinobi looking real saucy. Brother. Ew. What is that, brother? Revenge trading is my problem. How many times have you revenge traded and made money? Oh, maybe once, maybe twice out of 1,000 times. So every time you're a revenge trader, you have a 1 in 1,000 chance of making it out profitable, and you take that chance every time. You're just what we like to call in my language, an idiot. Are you Muslim, Shinobi? No, I'm sick. Get Grimace to start going live. Dude, peep Grimace right now. Yo, he is locked in. Do you use book maps? No. Do you smoke? Nah. Who's Cyborg Clips? Why do most traders fail in your opinion? Because, bro, they expect it to be easy because everyone on social media shows trading is easy, bro. They're like, oh, I made $10,000 today, and it's someone like Bonka who's in a frat house, and they just expect it to be easy. What ends up happening is people's expectations don't line up with what trading really is. Do you think ZA holds back traders? I don't know, bro. I never really did any of that stuff. So I wouldn't know. Can you explain why you have a limit order there? 15-minute fair value gap. Furthest away. When it leaves without you? Bro, that was my dad. Left without me when he went to go get the milk. Just kidding. Do you have CCBs? Bro, I don't want to make the block hot. Yes, I have carbon ceramic brakes on my individual interior with carbon buckets. I have your individual interior G80 M3 competition X drive with the driving assist. Why do most traders fail in your opinion? I just answered this, bro. Their expectations are for trading to be easy. And then when it's not easy, they just give up. And then also the issue with a lot of people is when they start trading is they put themselves on like a timer. Oh, if I'm not profitable by next year this time, I'm quitting. Oh, blah blah. Weirdo. It's like the dumbest thing you can do. You should get a Prius. I had a Tesla before this. Before my G80. At what point do you say the level got edged and remove your limit? I don't know. It's still not that far away. It's still there. I mean, it's still possible for it to get hit. Have you ever seen people making money with break and retest strategy? Bro, people make money with every type of strategy. The strategy, dude, tell me the strategy isn't what makes someone profitable. It's the trader, it's the person, and it's their ability to have. What point do you say? I already read that. Shinobi egoing us for his TikTok chat? No, I'm not, bro. I'm not. Calm down. Why are you hiding your time frame? I'm not. It's the 15-minute time frame. What's good, Dylan? I thought bro froze. Nah. What's the reason for this trade? 15-minute for value gap. Exchange state delivery same as market structure shift? No. Let's top tick Grimace Day. I'm not banning him. He has to wake up for class? You're in a high school, bruv? Huh? PG, bruv. PG. Yo, Wait, can PG be my cameraman? Yo, PG, what's the least amount of money I can pay you to be my cameraman? Here he go with the hall pass joke. Huh? No. Least amount of money possible. If he says a number over a single, like one figure, it's chop. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You can pay me anything? Anything? Nah, I just need, dude, I always need like a, but yo, you would have to use my camera, bro. You're not using your shit ass camera, unfortunately. Wait, is he senior? When does he graduate? All right, PG, I'm gonna have you be my cameraman next time we're about to go do something cool. You flew out a junior in high school? A family friend? That's even worse. Yo, this man was here to be a junior. I'll play it. Which country are you from? Punjab. Give PG 10 funded and 10K monthly salary? Hell no. Do you think I'm saved 954? I'm in blueprint. 954. I think you'll be fine. He touched me in Miami. Yo, you got Grimace stressing right now, bro. Oh, dude. Guys, it's his cousin, guys. It's his cousin, and it was to take pictures of the car. You guys take shit too serious. Seth hired him for the wedding? Yo, Seth had a booth at a wedding, bro. Oh. Yo, so what I need you guys to do is go to my YouTube and subscribe. We're almost at 24,000 subs. SRS! The GOAT! What was your first reaction to getting a payout? Guys, I started trading funded accounts after I made 1 point something million trading options. So when I got my first payout and it was a few $100s, I was like, yo, this shit is ass, bro. I will if you blow me. Bro. Guys, like up the stream. We're at 250 viewers. Let's get to 100. SRS the GOAT. The GOAT. What are your thoughts on all those prop firms hired to live stream and they apparently help us? Bro, those people on, dude, they don't hire to make it. Dude, if there was, listen to me. If I own a prop firm, I'm going to hire Grimace, who doesn't know shit about trading, to trade in front of people, make them blow accounts, and then have them resub on a discount. And I'm rinsing. I am rinsing everyone. Huh? All right, my bad. Dude, Top Step is the worst when it comes to that. Obi, does Powell agree with this signal? Bro, do you think I have like a landline to just call up Powell, be like, hey, bro, I'm about to take the, bro, I'm a grown-ass man. Grown-ass man. Think I'm going to ask about my trade with someone else, bro? I'm 23 years old, bro. Got a full head of hair. My beard connects. I have a car. I have a warehouse. I have a house. I have responsibilities. I have people looking up at you. Think, bro, this is. I'm a grown man, bro. He says as he holds up. I think this is a matcha. What is this? This is. What is this? Yo, guys, what Squishmallow is this? What is this? I don't know what he is. Do you guys know what he is? And like, what's this thing on his head? One more confluence doesn't hurt, Shinobi. Bruv. This is not a kiwi, bro. This is not a kiwi. How is this a kiwi? Are we shorting? No, I'm not shorting. That's witchcraft? Oh, it could be witchcraft because it's the Halloween version. Look, Halloween version. His name's Livingston. Look at his kiwi belly button. He doesn't have a belly button. Grown men arguing if it's a kiwi, by the way. All right, let's see what this 5 minutes looking like. Cheer me up and spit me out. Bro, low-key, if it doesn't go, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this just in case it edged us. If it didn't edge us, we're good. Bang. And I'm gonna target this Fair Valley. This breaker block up here. Bang. All right. I'm talking about Enid. What's your advice on back testing? Use TradeZella. Why is it whenever I take a loss, I start to think that it's something wrong with my strat and makes me want to strat hop? Did you ever have a similar issue? Yeah, until I realized that every strategy you trade is eventually going to have some losses, bro. Every strategy is going to have losses, and you're after a single or a few losses, you're going to be like, oh, something's wrong with my strategy. Bro, guys, get this through your head. If you take a loss, it doesn't mean you made a mistake. It doesn't mean you did something wrong. You could do everything right and still take a loss. That's completely normal. That's completely fine. You're saying PB is a scam, but you were just defending Trades by Sky, bro. Oh my god. You know Trades by Sky? Yeah. The one with the face tats? I think he also had a wrapped R8 or I8. Well, X3. Well, X3. What is your advice on back testing? Someone already asked that. Could you explain again what makes a person profitable and not the strategy? The edge they have in the markets. If you take a very disciplined and emotionally sound person and just tell them, hey, gun to your head, you're not allowed to take any other trade that doesn't match up with this criteria, that's it. Versus someone who's like, oh, I'm a really good, oh, blah, blah, blah. I know all these strategies, blah, 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 but I'm a freaking crybaby. You put them two together, the guy who's just disciplined is going to win because his edge is his patience and discipline. That's the person that's always going to win. People are always like, oh, you need to have an edge in the markets. The edge that you have needs to be your ability to read the market, number one. And then it needs to be your ability to have extreme levels of patience and then extreme levels of discipline when it comes to trading. That's what it comes down to. If it was just about having a good strategy, how come you guys learn all these strategies and still aren't profitable? How come people who start after you who don't trade as complex of a strategy as you are better than you? Guys, I only marketed into this just in case that we got edged. That's it. If I get stopped, then it should go into my actual limit, and then we'll get a 3-1 and make back the loss. Do you think I can be profitable by just trading Asia market? Yeah, bro. People do it all the time. Juan's been in this live, bro, since the beginning. Shout out Juan, man. Shout out Juan Jr. What are you trading? I'm trading NQ. I've been here since day 2. Shout out to you, Minty. I've been here since you were in diapers. That's predatory, unfortunately. Yo, Perseus, bro. Where are the stream clips, bro? Finally, I get some love instead of hate. What time frame you on? Whichever time frame I need to be on. 15 minutes. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. Any plans for your G80? Yeah, to drive it. Let's race. You'll beat me. Do you drive the M3 like an unk or how it's intended to be driven? Yo, P, how do you drive? I've already slid my M3. You can't say Jalil drives his M3 like an unk. Bro, I'm better at cutting up than him. What? I'm better, bro. That was spicy, but it wasn't that spicy. No, go ahead. Drink the rest of that water, Good boy. I'll take another bite right now. I do that. Get some more sauce, bro. Don't be scared. Some more. This finger looking good, bro. AMP allows you to start an account with $300. Corollas are underrated? What? Yo, look at this M3 Brooklyn Auto Sales house. What color is this? No, it's for an investment, bro. And it has buckets? Hmm? Yeah, comp seats. How much do you think you can flip 1,000 into in a week? I mean, I flipped $300 into 20K in a month. All on YouTube Live. Wait, dude, they have an E30? Yo, is Stinky Indian with you? Will Rodriguez. Yes. Rahul? Oh, I thought he was talking about you. One of my friends is selling an E92 for like 16K. You should copy for an investment. Hell no. Do you know why M and Q got above that high, but NQ didn't? No idea. The way you exist is so tough, twin. Glad to hear it, twin. AG trades. AG, what color is your F82? Wait, what's your spec? I don't know why you got an F82, bro. You should have just gotten a G82. It's black but wrapped BRG. My friend, the Stinky Indian we're talking about, he has a BRG G82 with LMRs. Yeah, his name's G82 Jackass. I was on the list for a G82, bro. Just buy it used, bro. What do you mean list? What is this, the Rolex AD, bro? Don't ever talk about some list near me ever again, bro. Please. I'm coping. Yo, remind the chat what car you have. Sit there like a good boy, all right? Yo, oh, I feel so bad. You're just chilling there doing nothing. We're just flaming you for no reason. In the past, bro, it's 2025. Bring Usman on stream. Which one? Usman Ashraf? Your patience is high AF. Yeah, use MACD indicator. All right, bro. That's I haven't banned anyone today, bro. That deserves a 1 minute ban, bro. You from Toronto? No. Gonna cop a G82 or maybe a R8 next year. If I'm smart with my money, we gonna see. Buy some property, blah blah blah, and then cop a car, bro. F82. How old are you, AG? It's better than you. If you're like 19, 20, bro. I have 8. Yeah, dude. When I was 19, I bought a Tesla, bro. So I mean, you know what's crazy? My Tesla was 70 something thousand dollars. You'll never get that age again. See, like that's what Subby's saying because he had cool cars when he was 19, 20, and now he's at the ripe age. How old are you? The ripe age of 22 with no car. Zero car. Yeah, I was like, what? I mean, I follow the F82 Stage 2. It's very fun. It's very fun, but bro, at the end of the day, bro, you're in an ancient, antique vehicle. Do not let them know we're in the market for an F8X. MACD is the most dumb thing I've heard in my life. Yo, this new 4-hour candle opened up and it looks like it's going to manipulate lower. Eek. It's well below my means. Yeah, that's the good part. Me and my friends, we're trying to buy some really nicely spec'd F80s for investments. Who said that? Hit up George Saliba so he can tax me. No one said that, bro. I got all options, one owner. That's good. But it's non-individual. I thought, dude, I didn't wait. Did they make BRG F8Xs? That's yeah. Who's talking BS about you, bro? Anthony lifts where? On TikTok? YouTube chat? Imagine he's just like Jeff Bezos. I think that we should normalize just pulling out like ban for bans anytime there's a disagreement. Like, oh, we have a problem? Show me a ban. Show me 100. Oh, he said no, I wasn't. Just wait to see what we got coming. All right, take it easy, AG. I'll talk to you later. Keep up the good work, fella. Bro, AG and AB need to meet. If I'm smart, I take break even on this trade here. If I'm smart, I take break even on this trade here. If I'm smart, I take break even on this trade here. Excuse me? Who told you to get out? Who allows you to make decisions? Excuse me? Are you raising your flipping voice at me right now? No, are you flipping raising your voice right now? Oh, can't believe you've grown such an ego. I should slap you. Yeah. Idiot. Stupid idiot. Shinobi, are you in India right now or abroad? Bro, I don't live in India. Should I enter right now? No. Let's run Clash Royale. I can't, bro. All right, I'm gonna end the TikTok live stream. Guys, if you're on my TikTok live stream, join my YouTube live stream. It's Shinobi Signals on YouTube. Cause I want to use my phone. I'm using the phone for the camera here. So I'll see you. Make sure you guys join the YouTube Shinobi Signals instead of the TikTok. All right. All right. Now I can go on my phone finally. Is the iPhone 17 valid? I like it. I think it's cool. I like it without the case though, for sure. Like, it feels really good in the hand. Yeah, it's overhated. I think this is the best phone they've updated to in a while, in my opinion. What do you think about gold? I don't trade gold. Why don't I use 7.5 stop loss instead of 10? Why would I use 7.5? Why don't you use 7.2 instead of, you know? What? All right, fine. It locked. What was it, Hunters? Dude, is it off market? Which dealership? Huh? Why? Bro, this is dude, this is the cleanest. This is the cleanest spec car I've seen. Bro, no Bowers. No. Yeah, if anyone wants a mint G80 M3 with a blown motor on ivory individual interior, let Subby know. If this hit, I get a payout, Unk. Bro, honestly, this is lower probability. This is higher probability. What the fuck is this trade? Are people in here who are taking all these signals and are profitable? Strat Forge. Let's see this guy's YouTube. Wenn du das nicht ankaufst, verlierst du Weltgeld. Der Trading Gambling wirklich. Warum ist SMCL komplett auf Rollis? Dude, this guy was in my live. Bro, I remember this fucking loser. He was in my live asking me a month ago how much I was making from affiliates, bro. No, I told him I was making a decent amount, and then he kept wanting to know the number, bro. Get out of here, bro. Nazi. What? Yeah. 987.5. I don't. That's the issue. I don't see. I see 997. Go for it. I don't like it though. Is Alpha better than MFFU? Yeah. MFFU is way too expensive, and I just hate them. Should I quit trading? I can't figure it out, man. Been on and off for 6 years. If you've been on and off, have you really given it a proper chance? But if you're thinking about it, bro, just give up on it. Long term invest, bro. What do you think is the probability of this trade? I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know how you like how would you expect me to come up with the answer for that, you know? What is the chances of this trade playing out? Same as any other trade. No volume? What are you talking about? There's volume. Make it go up. Yeah, we need to put up our cameras. Yeah. When are you coming to NYC? Bro, I'm usually in New York pretty often. Yo, in the meantime, can you start trying to connect the blink cameras while we're waiting? Just we can set those up right after, because that's wild. Who's this? Custom M3. What color is this? Imola or Toronto Red on Red Comfort? Huh? Still. Bro, why do people get so many likes on that, bro? That's why I need to post my car. Bro, I wanted it to be finished up. No, right after I got the wheels and then got it fixed by Jackie. It's not been weeks.
What is this? What is this? I'm on the 3-minute chart? Dropping. We gotta start training enough to see this.
Bro, this is starting to just chop around.
Life does not. Oh my God.
Bro, we're not getting filled. Bro, I know. This price is choppy. Bro, this price is literally being stupid. I'm like, what is it doing? It's gonna make my mom kind of homeless. Honestly, if this trade takes doesn't start moving in a few minutes, I'm just gonna get off live. I'll hop back on tomorrow. I'm gonna be live again more often, anyways. Let's run chart champs. That's the rake back. $9. All right, chat. All right, chat. All right, we're standing on 19. I shouldn't have full ported. It's against the queen, bro. There's no match the dealer on these either. Yeah, that would be insane because they run like 6 decks. Bro. That was funny, bro. Who remembers the streams when me and Luke used to gamble? Huh? Literally, bro. It's just boring right now. Yeah, guys, let's get to 100 likes on the stream. We're at 57. What are we doing? Thoughts on shorts at 26K? That could work. But if we're gonna go up here, I don't know. I wouldn't really look to short. Dude, this is so boring. I'm not. Huh? Yeah. Guys, it's not audio's not working. I'm just not like I'm not doing anything. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off stream. This is getting boring, but I'm keeping this limit. I'm keeping these orders, and yeah, I appreciate you guys coming. Use code OBI for 80% off Apex. I think that discount's going on for a few days longer, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Asia.